feelings, baby. You can give it.
Check in, my beautiful people. So this morning it's a pleasure for me to capture this beautiful moment, guys, with this unique garbage removal. And I'm here on my balcony watching how unique this truck is removing the garbage. Guys, technology increase more and more every day. Sooner or later these trucks gonna be robots. Trust me. They're not gonna need anyone to drive them or do whatever they are doing at this moment, because every day technology will increase. So sit back with me and watch how unique these trucks are removing the garbage. Trust me, it's a beautiful thing to see how they remove the garbage without manpower. Normally you used to see 2 or 3 guys on a truck. Not anymore. They build a truck that it can lift the garbage bin to empty it in the truck. So just stay tuned, guys, and watch what's going on. Enjoy the process. And it's more easier. Trust me, it's more easier. But then again, I said it's more easier, but sooner or later some people have no work at all. Trust me, it's gonna get rougher and rougher and rougher and tougher. Yep. Guys, if you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video or a new video. Sit back and enjoy this little clip here of the garbage.